Have you ever watched those incredible motorcycle videos on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Facebook and thought, wow, how did they film that? Well, the truth is they didn't. It wasn't filmed at all. These videos are entirely created using AI, and today, I'm going to show you how you can do the exact same thing from scratch. And not just that, by the end of this video, you'll know how to turn these AI-created videos into a money-making machine on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Facebook. I'm going to walk you through every single step. We'll start by generating some mind-blowing AI motorcycle scenes using ChatGPT. Then, we'll bring those images to life using Kling AI, animate them, add cool effects, and edit them for viral success. Plus, I'm going to teach you how to post them strategically to get maximum views and, of course, make money. No fancy cameras, no professional gear, just you, a laptop or phone, and some powerful AI tools. So, if you want to get started with AI content creation that can go viral, stick around. This is your ultimate guide to AI-generated motorcycle videos. Before we dive into the steps, let's take a moment to understand what AI motorcycle videos are and why they're going viral everywhere. You've seen them. The sleek, futuristic motorcycles racing through neon-lit cityscapes, vintage bikes cruising across desert landscapes at sunset, and even robot bikers performing jaw-dropping stunts. But what makes these videos so special? Well, the secret is in how they're created. AI technology allows you to design and animate scenes like these without ever stepping onto a set or filming a single frame. That means you can create epic, hyper-realistic motorcycle videos with zero limitations. The best part? These types of videos are popping up everywhere, from TikTok to YouTube Shorts to Facebook Reels, and people are loving them.
Why?
Because the visuals are captivating, the action is exciting, and it feels like you're witnessing a futuristic world that's just too good to be true. Now, let's break down the tools we'll use today to make this happen. ChatGPT to generate the ideas, Kling AI to bring those ideas to life, and then we'll animate, edit, and post them to get maximum views. Alright, let's start with ChatGPT. This is where the magic begins. I'll show you how to create powerful prompts that will generate the most stunning, futuristic motorcycles and scenes. To do this, we need to craft specific prompts. For example, you might type something like, "The image depicts a thrilling first-person perspective of a motorcyclist navigating a desert. The path is bordered by mountains. The motorcycle's handlebars and speedometer are prominently visible in the foreground, enhancing the sense of speed and adventure." Hyper-realistic image. Or, you can go for a different vibe. A vintage motorcycle speeding through the African desert during sunset, dramatic shadows, and dust swirling in the air. Now that we've crafted our perfect prompt using ChatGPT, let's head over to Kling AI to bring our motorbike concept to life. If this is your first time using Kling AI, you'll need to sign up. It's super simple. Just enter your email address, create a password, and you're in. Once you log in, you'll land on a clean, beginner-friendly interface. At the top, you'll see several options like text-to-image, text-to-video, AI images, and many more. Kling AI keeps updating with exciting new features, so it's a great tool to keep an eye on. For this tutorial, click on text-to-image. That's where the magic begins. Now, paste the prompt we generated earlier into the text box provided. You can tweak it here too, maybe adjust a few words for clarity or to experiment with variations. Next, look to the right of your screen. This is where you'll set your style preferences. You can choose something like hyper-realistic, cinematic, or even 3D rendered, depending on how you want your motorcycle to look. Now here's a pro tip. If you're creating content for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels, set your aspect ratio to 9:16. This vertical format is perfect for mobile content. But if you're making a video for YouTube in landscape format, choose the 16:9 aspect ratio. Kling AI will require credits to generate images. After signing up, you'll be given 166 free credits, so make sure you use them wisely. Now hit the Generate button, and Kling AI will begin crafting your image. It might take a few moments, but trust me, it's worth the wait. Once it's ready, you'll see a stunning, high-quality image of your AI-generated motorbike, just as you imagined. Download it and get ready to move to the animation stage. Now comes the fun part, animating your motorbike image and bringing it to life. With Kling AI, turning a still image into a dynamic video is super easy and seriously impressive. First, open Kling AI and look for the plus sign. Go ahead and click on that. From the menu, select Image to Video. This is where you'll upload the motorbike image you just generated. Click Upload Image, select your file, and wait for it to load. Once your image is uploaded, you'll be asked to add a prompt. This is where you describe how you want the animation to behave. For example, you can say something like, a swift motorcycle ride heading toward a waterfall, veering left as you pass it, and continuing downhill, with the bridge or road always visible ahead. The motorcycle stays on solid ground and does not ride over water. This prompt helps guide the animation engine to know exactly how to move your motorbike. If you're wondering what prompt to use, don't worry. I've dropped a few awesome prompts in the description box below. You can copy and paste them directly. And if you need more, feel free to comment "I need prompts" and I'll drop even more in the replies. After pasting your prompt, it's time to configure your video settings. You'll see two main options: Standard mode and Professional mode. Standard mode is fast and simple, great for beginners. Professional mode gives you more control. Perfect if you want advanced details like camera angle, depth of field, and richer motion effects. Next, set the duration of your video. You can go for 5 seconds, 10 seconds, or even longer. Just a quick heads up. The longer your video, the more credits it will consume. So use your credits wisely. After setting the duration and confirming your animation prompt, click on the Generate button. Now sit back and relax. It'll take a few seconds to a couple of minutes, depending on your internet and the complexity of the animation. And just like that, Kling AI will give you a fully animated video of your AI-generated motorbike, racing, drifting, jumping, or whatever you imagined. With motion blur, particles, and cinematic effects, it feels like something straight out of a movie. Once you're happy with the result, hit export, and boom, you've got a stunning, animated video clip ready for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels. Amazing, right? Now let's talk about editing. The animation is ready, but we need to make it pop with sound effects, music, and text to grab attention. First, open your animated clip in your favorite video editor. CapCut or VN Editor works great. Start by adding sound effects. For instance, you'll want motorcycle revving sounds, drifting sounds, and maybe some ambient city noise if you've created a futuristic city scene. Next, add a trending background track. You don't want to use just any song. Make sure it's something that resonates with your audience. Music sets the tone, so pick something high energy or futuristic if it matches the vibe of your video. Then, add text overlays. A great one to use is, "Would you ride this AI bike?" Or, "Can you believe this isn't real?" This sparks curiosity and makes viewers want to watch the video more than once. Use zoom effects and smooth transitions to keep the viewer's attention. And, of course, keep your video under 60 seconds to ensure it fits perfectly for Shorts or TikTok. You don't want your audience to click away too soon. Now that your video is ready, it's time to post it. But where and when? To maximize your views and engagement, let's talk about the best times to post. For TikTok, post when your target audience is most active, usually evenings, around 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. For YouTube Shorts and Facebook, early mornings or mid-afternoon tend to work better. Hashtags are your friend here. Use relevant tags like AI bike, motorcycle edit, futuristic ride, and make sure to use them in your description. Also, captions like "This isn't real" or "Wait until you see what happens next" create intrigue and make people want to click. Post your videos in parts if you're creating a series. This will keep people coming back for more. And don't forget about thumbnails. Make them eye-catching and relevant to the action of the video. Okay, now let's get to the part that matters most. How do you make money with these videos? For YouTube Shorts, you can start earning through the Shorts Fund or by joining the YouTube Partner Program once you meet the eligibility requirements. It's a great way to get paid for your creative videos. On TikTok, join the Creator Fund, and also consider partnering with brands or linking affiliate products in your bio. TikTok's Creator Marketplace is a great place to find sponsored opportunities. With Facebook Reels, you can take advantage of the Reels Play bonus program, which rewards you based on the performance of your videos. You can also cross-post your content from Instagram for extra exposure. Besides ad revenue, you can make money selling digital downloads, things like wallpapers or short clips of your AI-generated videos. You can even offer AI video creation services or sell prompt packs to other creators looking to make their own motorcycle videos. Imagine creating a full-on AI avatar that can talk, walk, and gesture, all without you ever needing to be on camera. I cover that in another tutorial, and it's a game changer. So, make sure to check out the playlist in the description for all my AI content creation tutorials. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.